Not adjust your television sets. This is not an active snow map. This is the last time southern New England experienced a blizzard 2 years ago to the day today. Remember this one? It's probably still fresh in a lot of people's minds, mostly because it was the last big snow event that we had, major snow event. 12 to 24 inches for all of Rhode Island, some of us bordering closer to the 2-foot mark than the 1-foot mark. And then here was the jackpot bullseye from Boston down to Plymouth, just north of New Bedford into the Acushnet area. We picked up anywhere from 24 to closer to 30. We put this contour here to show the 2 to 3 foot snow mark, but most of it probably maxed out around 30, 31, maybe 32 inches there. And you can see how amounts clearly get a lot less as you go further west across Connecticut and out towards the Berkshires. This was a coastal storm. We had that big wind component. It's not the amount of snow that made this a blizzard. It was that persistent, driving, gusty coastal wind that also lowered visibilities to under 1/4 of a mile. Those are the main specifications when you're looking at a snowstorm and saying, is this a blizzard or not? Oh, what could have been this time around really did not amount to much. We actually, in some spots, had more of an accumulation, about a wet inch or two yesterday morning when the storm got going and before it all changed to rain. And then now as the colder temperatures come crashing back as the storm is pulling away, which is not yielding a lot of moisture. We're just seeing some of those light to moderate snow showers out towards the Cape and the islands. Now, we take all of the moisture into account, both of what fell as rain, sleet, snow. We're just talking liquid precipitation here. Clearly, Connecticut got soaked with these oranges and reds here indicating several inches of rain. You didn't get that much here at home, but it did bring us ever so much closer to the wettest December, Januaries on record. And again, these records go back to 1904, 1905. We are still running the numbers and getting all the final calculations and measurable precip today. I think maybe we tack on a few more tenths of an inch here, but I think we'll just come up a smidge shy of that number one mark, 78, December of 78 and January of 79. But that's pretty crazy to show just how wet it has been here over the last 60 days. Why the rivers have run so high. So it's nice to have this break week here. Again, a couple more days left in January, but no more measurable precip is expected through the next few days here. We'll also get some sun back. It hasn't been exactly bright. We had some breaks of sun on Saturday. Really nothing yesterday or today, but a couple of breaks of blue I did see in the clouds. We should see brighter weather coming our way. I mentioned last hit, really no major storms on the horizon except just this little north to south moving little clipper of energy here on Thursday that could spawn some snow showers, maybe some rain showers as we do see temperatures moderating into Thursday. And you can see this kind of blowing up offshore as it pulls away, so the weekend looks quiet here at home as well. 21 tonight. Okay, it is going to be seasonally cold this week. A little bit more so tonight just because of a wind chill component. We'll see those wind chills down in the teens to borderline single digits in spots tomorrow. Not a bad day, though, out there as we look ahead here. Temperatures, again, moderating closer to 40 by the time we get to midweek, and we'll stay there through Friday before another little mini shot of cold air. It's not an Arctic outbreak or anything like that. 30s over the weekend, teens to around 20 during the overnights, and staying quiet, though,